Yeah, that's real. Crazy as shit. We're at the Boeing Centennial Anniversary Celebration Gala. And they have projection mapping and big spectacular show and bands and food trucks and lots of strange planes everywhere. So let's walk around and see what they have here in King County Field, which is next to Renton, which is just outside of Seattle, Washington, which is the home of Boeing. All right, 100 years, 1916, 2016. Let's go see some weird airplanes.
This says the Boeing 30C. Is that this one?
That's this plane. This is the oldest Boeing that is still in flight. It's a 1928. It has a Wasp motor, which is a Pratt Whitney motor. And it's been completely restored because it was in a horrible accident. And this guy restored it. It's worth about $2 million now, but look at the detail. He's about ready to go. Because he's leaving, he's flying out tonight back home. It actually has seating for 4. Check out the cabin. And these wings and the body are made of canvas, obviously with a weatherproof coating. And even though they're seating for 4, the pilot still flies from the outside. It's a little cramped in there.
Oh, it's like engraved in the wall.
Quite cramped, but also very beautiful. Gotta be pretty dexterous to get up. That's the classic B-51 Mustang. Pretty cool. Finally got into some metal planes. This was a military issue, of course. Another Navy plane. You might recognize this 707. It's quite fancy. State of the art for 1960s. That looks good.
David, over David.
Good. That's where the spectacular is, where they have all the crazy projection map 747-8 Dreamliner, along with a brand new 787 composite wing. They have projection mapping on them as well as a huge show. It's about a half hour long. It's pretty cool. Check it out later tonight. There's all kind of people flying through here. I want that coffee table and that chair. If I could have both those, that would be really nice. Alright, me and Bill are up top. These are all the projectors. I thought this would be a good place to stand to watch that old ass plane take off. It's gonna zoom right past us. I don't know if you can see it, but that's Mount Rainier. It's really pretty to the eye. You barely see it in the camera. And then this is where they have the spectacular.